All right, so today I want to do something different. I want to talk to you guys about the e-commerce leverage advantage. All right, now I've had people ask me questions like, "Okay, Jonathan, is this a course? Or what is this exactly?" Well, the straight answer to that is e-commerce leverage advantage is not a course. All right, is me introducing you into partnership, into a selling system that you can use to benefit yourself and make some extra income while working from anywhere in your underwears, in your kitchen table, in your parlor, in your bedroom. All right, so how exactly does this work? Okay, now once you sign up for e-commerce leverage advantage, what you have access to, you're going to have access to an account that looks something like this. You'll be able to log in and you have access to this. Yeah, you can see these courses, but it's not really just the elements, the management system that this is built on, right? But inside of what we have here, we said e-commerce leverage advantage. Yeah, there are a few videos. The videos that are here basically help you to connect, a few of the steps that we have for you. Okay, then of course you are taught how to go about your traffic, because that's the only thing you are going to really measure on, sending traffic to the system that you set up. All right, now for you to be able to set up the system, we give you access to a platform called Lazycom. Okay, now Lazycom is a platform that was built for e-commerce business owners, people who sell physical products, to ensure that they get started easily and they're able to scale and grow their e-commerce business. All right, now there are people who already have good products that they are selling, but then distribution is a problem, right? And that is where you come to help them with distribution, and then they give you a code for it. Okay, so you are being taught how exactly you can go about driving traffic, using Facebook ads to do that. And do you know the beauty about this? You are given the promotional materials that you need to do this effectively, right? So here, once you are a member of or you're a partner of e-commerce leverage advantage, you have access to all the promotional materials that you have. Currently, we have 3 products in the system. Okay, so you can have access to the 3 products. If I click into this, you see that there are different material copies, images, lead magnets, sequence emails, testimonials, videos that you can make use of, holistic. You can see it's the same thing. All of these things, they have been created, all right, for you to make use of. Okay, all of these, they've been created for you to make use of. All right, now the next thing I want to share with you, I want to show you, is inside of this Lazycom web app that you have access to. It comes with a fee for the plan that those who are partners of the e-commerce leverage advantage. The plan comes with a monthly subscription of $10. All right, but as a partner, you get 2 months for free. All right, so for 2 months you're going to make use of the platform for free. It simply means that you don't need to pay to make use of the platform for 2 good months until you start making profit from your business. All right, so once you have your account, this is inside of the Lazycom app. All right, Lazycom web app. Once you sign up, this is what you're going to see. Okay, and you'll see that the funnels, depending on the product that you want to sell. Okay, like I said, there are 3 products, okay, currently available to you. Okay, so you have the holistic bloom, phytobite, and boost. Okay, these 3 products, everything has been designed, has been created. Okay, so if you head over to where it says the funnel flow, all right, because as you register, you select the products that you want to promote and all that. Right now, everything has been created, meaning you don't have to start designing each of these pages. They have been designed for you. Everything has been created. All you just have to do is connect these pages so that when someone comes from here, they land on this page. When someone clicks from this page, they land on this page. All right. The contents, let's just click to view. The contents of each of these pages have been done for you. All right, meaning you don't have to bother how are you going to create this content. You can see all the contents have been created for you. All the contents that you need have been created for you, and this is for each of the products that we have available inside Ecommerce Leverage Advantage. So you don't have to do anything from scratch. Everything has been done for you. All you need to do is watch the videos that shows you how to connect these pages, and of course the videos that shows you how to run the traffic on Facebook. You don't have to start thinking about, okay, what kind of product is going to sell, what kind of how do I go about my market research, how do I go about the product research, how do I go about delivering the product, how do I talk to customers. No, you don't do that, right? And the other thing that I've seen people ask me is, okay, when I make a sale, how do I know that I've made the sale, right? Now, if you click into what we call the distributor panel, you can see right here, distributor panel. When you click into it, you are going to see this, okay? And depending on the product that you've chosen to sell, you can click. So for instance, if I click into holistic bloom here, what I see is I'm going to see this is what I'm going to see once I click on holistic bloom or any of the products that you are interested in actually promoting, right? Once you click on that, what happens next is right here you can see the order details of the people who are placing the orders. You're going to see their name, their email, their phone number, so you can even call them if you want to, because really you don't have to, because my team are going to do the calling for you, so you don't really have to bother about all of that. The only thing that you really bother about, right, is sending traffic, right, to this page, to your unique page that you get from on here. Okay, so if you come here like I was showing you, you come over here, it says distributor URL. There is a unique link here. You can see this link is unique to just you. All right, so with this link, the system tracks the number of sales that are coming through you, and the vendor of the product will be able to know that, okay, this sale is from you, this sale is from so person, right? With that, your sales are assigned to you, and depending on the vendor, depending on the merchant of the product, it could 7 days after delivery, right, from the point of the customer making the purchase. All right, so it could take 7 to 10 days, right, depending on the customer is, because some customer will tell you, okay, comes also time. So yeah, and really a lot of people have, like this morning I made I paid some commissions to some distributors who are already making some sales, right? So this is a system that you can leverage on. The other way to do it is to go out there, look for the product, and on this channel I teach you how to do all of that, how to research your products, how to import your products, how to everything you basically need for you to get started with e-commerce is right on this YouTube channel. But if you want to leverage, you don't want to start from scratch, right? But you want to build on something that is already existing, right? Why not take advantage of this? All right, this platform has been built for you so that you leverage and you don't have to struggle to know how to create your funnels, know how to research your market, know how to research your product, know how to write copies, know how to look for your how to create videos and all of that, right? You don't have to start bothering yourself so much about all of these moving parts of you running a profitable e-commerce business. You have something to get started with, and you can build from there. Maybe you do this for the next 6 months to a year. You can say, okay, I want to do my own thing and say, oh yeah, I want to create my own product, I want to brand my own product, but you know that you are not starting from scratch. Okay, this is very perfect for people who want to have a second stream of income and they have limited time. If you have an hour each day, you can do something like this, right? This is perfect for you because you don't need so much time. You're not talking to customers, you're not looking for how to start creating the pages yourself, how to start setting up the funnels yourself. They are already done. All you need to do is connect the different steps of the funnel, and you get videos on how to do that inside the account. So you have all of this editing your funnel, all the videos, they are right here for you. Everything you need to know to put all of those things together is right there, and we'll teach you how to drive traffic, which is the main thing that you're actually doing, driving traffic. All right, so that's it, guys. I really hope that this really clarifies things, and you really have a good groups or a good understanding of how the e-commerce leverage advantage works and how it can benefit you, right? If you're looking for a way to earn at least 10k every day, to 60k every day, even more, right? So it really is depending on how much traffic you can, quality traffic, by the way, that you can drive to your unique URL that you get from the system, right? So it's all set up for you. Go leverage on this thing, right? Stop procrastinating and dragging your feet. This thing is already done for you. Why do you want to start from scratch? It's there for you to leverage, take advantage of it, right? If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, subscribe to the channel so you get to be the first person. Turn on that notification bell so you of course you get to be the first person to be notified when I put out videos like this, because very soon I'm going to start having what I call the Lazycom daily trends. Okay, very soon it's going to be an interesting daily series, and of course you don't want to miss it. You want to subscribe and ensure that you get a daily dose of those videos. All right, so until next time, I'll talk to you. Bye.